Well, good morning and welcome to Vermont. A lot of you didn't come here to make any new friends on YouTube, so I just right away want to say I put the links in the description to the part numbers you're going to need for this generator. It's a CAT RP12000E, 12 kilowatt generator, 15 kilowatt surge capacity, oil filter and air filter, part numbers, cross-reference numbers that you can find anywhere on the internet or your local parts store. Links are in the description, so you can jump right there and get the parts you need for this. If you're like me, you've spent a lot of time scouring the internet looking for the right part numbers so you can change the oil and service the air filter on this generator. This is a 2018 model. So I've had this about 6 years now. It's run great for me. And sad to say, I haven't changed the oil in it or changed the air filter until now, just this season. It doesn't have many hours on it, but again, it's 6 years old. And the reason that I didn't change the filters and service it is I couldn't find the part numbers. Many of you also know that it's no longer supported by Caterpillar. So you can get parts and service kits out there. They're quite expensive in my opinion, but you can find them from a few dealers that still have parts on the shelf. But as far as calling CAT, I called my local CAT dealer. They weren't able to help me. And their best advice was to search the internet, which I did, which you all have done as well, and found this video. So I've got those for you. Just first of all, it's similar to a Honda GX 670 engine on this unit, as well as it looks like the Harbor Freight. What do they call it? Predator, I think, the Predator 670. There's another model Predator that's smaller, 300 maybe. So the 670 engine is a knockoff version of the same engine. So if you search for the Honda 670 or the Harbor Freight Predator, you can also find part numbers to service those engines. Let me take the camera up here so you can see. And you can see on here, I purchased a Walmart ST3614 oil filter, SuperTech, Walmart brand, generic brand. Just want to show you the fit. It's close, but it does fit. And it's a little bit larger diameter, but the gasket seals well to the engine, doesn't leak. The threads are correct. It's a 3/4 16 thread that you need on the filter. And I just wanted to show you the part number and the fitment of that. Now, if you give me a few minutes, the other side, to service the air filter, many of you know this, some don't, you've got to take this little cap off. Bear with me. The part number for the air filter, I'll share in the notes. It's too long to remember here on the video. But again, the link's in the description. So if you, difficult to see, these two threaded screws have got to come out, but if you reach above, there's a disc, or it almost feels like an oil filler cap, but you can reach it with your fingers. It's right in the center of the top of the filter assembly. If you reach in here, you can spin. A little bit challenging. I'll show you here in a minute. So you can pull this out. Once you get that cover off, this whole top will come free, and you can remove that. Now, up in the center of this filter, there's a small washer. You want to pull that out so you don't lose it. It goes right over the stud on the through the filter that you just unthreaded. So pull the filter off. I just want to show you, this is a new one that I've replaced that I'm recommending. Okay, so it comes with this pre-filter, and here you go. So you want to make sure you get the filter with the hole in the center. And as you can see, Still pretty clean. I just changed it, and it fits quite well. Well, you can't see that. So I'll put that back together. Hopefully this solves some problems for you all. It's been quite a frustration for me trying to find the parts I need to service this generator. Very happy with the generator and what it does. It powers most of my house when we lose power here in Vermont, which happens a lot in my location. Take a look at the part numbers. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And if you have any other comments on the video or questions about the generator, I'd be happy to answer them. Not an expert, but I found this solution and I'm sure you'll all appreciate it. I just couldn't find the answer anywhere. So have a great day. Hope this helps. And as they say around here, welcome to Vermont. Thanks for visiting. Now it's time to go home.
I thought I'd ask for just one wish, so I knelt down and prayed if I could have the wish I want. I'd ask the Lord to make the world exactly like Vermont.